Okay, so I do have a lot to unbox. I've got all these figures here. I've got loads of little ones. We all check these out in the showcase video, which I've already done for Force Friday. I've already picked up. These are Black Series. These will all be reviewed separately, but we're gonna unbox all the little ones today. Get them all out of their plastic casing, their coffins, and get them out. Let's get to this. Be golden. So this is it. This is the 3" quarter line Force Friday pickup I have got. All unboxed there. And there we go. I'm going to do a quick little review. Quality is great. Stormtroopers are nice and shiny. You can see their teeth. Standing issues because of the Force link underneath. But anyway, that's alright. Because I managed to get them standing up. Rey, unfortunately, she can't stand up. She's got a weird arm kind of thing going on there. So I had to put her on a stand. Praetorian Guard at the back there. He's a good looking figure. Weapon splits in two, and we got a little tiny Porg. So that's it, guys. That is just me unboxing my Force Friday 3" quarter line episode 8. This will be added into the new era figure line, so this will be growing. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, you can see the results of my army builds growing. I do a lot of Star Wars figure stuff on my Instagram. At MRHAPPY886 is my Instagram name. If you want to follow me on there, a lot of Star Wars related content on there. So go for it, hit the follow button on there, and also hit subscribe, because I've got some Black Series videos coming on the way soon during this week. As well, subscribe to my gaming channel, that is MRHAPPY886 on YouTube. Links are in the description below. But for this week, the content is being focused on this channel, so I urge you to subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, guys, please hit the like button. Share it if you want to. Leave a comment if you got as much as I did, if you got more, if you want to boast, complain, I don't know, just comment about something, about your shopping trip, I don't know, whatever. And as always, subscribe, and may the Force be with you, guys. Peace out.